Should you curse someone? Oftentimes in life, many of us are wronged in many different ways. Okay, so the first thing I'll teach you in cursing, keep in mind karma. Keep in mind that we have the creation powers within us. We just need to access that knowledge, and sometimes reach out to someone who already has that knowledge to further guide you. But should we curse someone? Firstly, you got to make sure it's justified. Okay, and if it is extremely justified, I still encourage you, if you're going to do the work yourself, have protection upon yourself. There are many different forms of protection you can put upon yourself. Also, keeping in mind karma, so do it with the right intent and the right wording and the right spoken word. Okay, and what's also very important to remember is there are many forms of this. So if you don't want to go straight out into a full-on curse on someone because you feel you might face karma, or it might come and bite you in the ass, you have options of return to sender or mirror curses, mirror spells. So whatever harm they've done to you, you are simply sending back to them, which actually cleanses your hands of karmic energy coming back to you.